Hi, just a short video to show you the condition of this Dyson V7 animal with a brand new battery. So it's been fully cleaned, the bush bar head has been taken apart, fully cleaned and put back together. Comes with a brand new replacement combination tool and a brand new replacement crevice tool. The official Dyson charger and wall mount. There is no screw or wall plugs with this, but you could just use standard ones. The wand, now the wand has a small dent there and a couple of scratches. This is why I make these videos, so you can actually see the condition. So there's a small dent, if you can pick it up around there somewhere. And then the main unit itself. So the filter's been washed, the head's been washed, the bin's been washed. This has a brand new 4000 mAh battery. I purchased this last week for this listing. Two modes: economy mode, max mode. Max mode is more powerful, but the battery drains really quick until you have to charge it again. Most of the time I use it on economy mode. I'll just show you it working quickly. I'll plug it all together one-handed. Actually, I can show you shortly. Put the wand on and then show you as well. To empty, hold it above a bin, bag, container, your choice. Pull the red lever up and it will open like that. Tip your rubbish out, then start again. To close it, push the top down first, like so, and then push the bottom up until it clicks into place. Any questions at all, please ask. Thanks for watching.